So it's a little after 2 a.m. I'm in Malta. I arrived here about around midnight. I'm trying to sleep. I'm just crashing at this closed down eatery because there's no place to sit because everybody, this airport here has such a small seating area, and there are a whole bunch of people passed out here too, crashing, I guess, overnight or whatever their situation is. Maybe it's just like me, they have a long ass layover. I'm just too tired to go explore the city, and there's like some kid that's freaking out and yelling and shit, and I'm trying to sleep, but whatever, everybody here is trying to sleep, and the general mood here is everybody's just trying to sleep and they're pissed off because they can't. Yeah. This eatery, it looks like it's been closed for a while, and who knows, whenever it opens up, they'll probably tell me to get the hell out of here. Then I'm gonna have to find one of these hard metal seats to sit on. Hoping to get a little bit of sleep, and maybe if I wake up around 6 or 7, I might go out, but I'm just so damn tired.